Did you know the biggest financial fraud in history started with a simple confession to two sons? On December 10th, 2008, Bernie Madoff called his sons into his office and said 5 words that shattered everything. It's all one big lie. For decades, this former Nasdaq chairman had fooled everyone, including Wall Street's smartest minds. His secret? He never invested a single dollar. Instead, he used new investor money to pay fake returns to existing clients. The scheme was brilliant in its simplicity. He created an exclusive club that people begged to join. Consistent returns, year after year. Even when markets crashed, he'd actually reject potential investors, making his fund seem even more desirable. But one man saw through it all. Harry Markopolos tried warning regulators for years. Nobody listened. Then 2008 hit. Clients wanted $7 billion back, money that didn't exist. Madoff got 150 years in prison. Thousands lost everything they had.